welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden, home to divine treasures. So y'all, in this video I am going to be planting potatoes. Okay, so I have some seed potatoes. I figured out right now I'm gonna do 4 bins, these tote bins. Okay, remember, if you planting anything, to put holes in the bottom of your bin so you can have drainage. If not, if you don't have no type of drainage for the water to go, you're gonna have root rot. You're gonna have your stuff to just not grow, go bad, and because it's sitting in water. Make sure you have good drainage. Okay, so I have these 4 bins right here. Okay, these are the ones I have decided to do potatoes in. I know I will be doing some more potatoes, but right now these are the ones I'm doing them in. Okay, I have the Minnesota potatoes. Okay, I have a bag of those, and then I have these red potatoes. These is the red Norland. Okay, so these are the ones that I am going to be getting the soil ready for and planting in. These are regular totes with holes on them. Regular totes, okay, plastic totes. You can also do potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. Okay, I will do some in 5-gallon buckets, but I like to do succession planting. So I'm gonna do it. Go ahead and plant these, and then I know in the next couple days or a week or so, I'll just be every other day or something, or every other week I'll just be planting more. Okay, all right y'all, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Miracle-Gro fertilizer to each bin before I start, and this is just to give my soil some nutrients. It's the one through all type of weather with this winter and storms and ice and all this. So just to, you know, give the soil a little bit of nutrients or whatnot. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start working my soil a little bit like this, just breaking it up. Nothing special, just breaking it up, taking this straw and weeds and all that stuff out of it, just like this. Don't make it too hard, too complicated. Just have fun in the garden, you know, and know it's gonna be some good food that you ain't gotta go in the store and buy. And you can have a lot of stuff that you wouldn't normally get out the store because of the prices, and you growing it right in your backyard or on your land, your farm or whatnot. That should be so much of a happy feeling right there. You growing it yourself, you know what's in it. You know, if you don't have money, your money a little funny, and you don't have money to go get produce, it's growing in your backyard, on your land. You're eating. Though that's what we get out of growing our own food. You know? So have fun with it, y'all. Have fun with it, okay? Have fun with it. Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 bins of each potato, okay? And it's very simple. It's very simple. So let me see, I'm gonna do the red potatoes in here in the first 2. I want to do them down there. No, I'm gonna do them in the first 2. Okay, and these potatoes are ready. I've had these potatoes since January. Okay, about January. So I'm thinking these 2 bins I'm only gonna put, looking at the size of them, I'm gonna put, let me make sure y'all can see, probably about 3 potatoes. I know I'm gonna put 3 in this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put 3. 3, okay? I think 3 should be fine because of the size of the bins. Alright? So this is one. Alright. And some people say lay them in certain ways and all this. I just lay them in. The way they gonna grow is the way they gonna grow, okay? That's just me. I put them, they gonna do what they gotta do, okay? I'm turning mine on the side. Alright? They gonna grow out and do what they gotta do. And there's so many eyes on these potatoes is another reason why I'm just putting 3. Probably don't even need to do that for the size of the containers, but that's what I'm doing. Alright? And just covering them up like that. Okay? I'm going to do the same over here. I'm just going down the center. Like this. Everybody have their way of gardening. I'm just showing you how I garden, okay? This is how I do, alright? I don't make it harder than what it needs to be, okay? It's supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to feel like a biology test to me. Okay? It's more supposed to be feeling like an experiment or just having fun, you know? So I don't do a lot of the science and all that stuff, but I grow food. That's what I do. Okay? Been doing this ever since a child. Okay? So was taught very well, and I just do it the way I do it. Okay? Now I'm about to do the other potatoes. And it's going to be the same concept, okay? I'm going to bring y'all a little closer. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see me better. So now I'm going to do the yellow potatoes. Woo, look at those. I think for the yellow potatoes, they big. I really feel like I only need 2 seed potatoes. But I'm going to put 2 nice size ones and then a small one. How about that? That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Just in case one don't, you know, feel like it have a malfunction or something. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Alright. That one. That one. All right. And I don't think I said today is March 15th, 2025. And I am batch recording, y'all. So y'all may see me in the same outfit for multiple videos, because I am batch recording. So these are all done. It was just that simple and easy. So I'm gonna put my little thing that say red potatoes, and make sure I label these as the Minnesota potatoes, and gonna water these in. Make sure when you plant your stuff you are watering them in, okay? Don't forget to water your stuff. All right, y'all, and that is me planting some potatoes for the spring garden. The garden season starting for 2025, y'all. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. So yeah, it's simple as that. Make sure you label so you'll know what potatoes you have, especially if you're doing different ones. Make sure you are watering them, and I mean, have fun, y'all. Grow you some food. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And make sure, if you're not on my other channel, Mississippi Girl Life, we do a lot of prepping over there, but there are some gardening over there from a couple years ago, cooking recipes, so much over there. So go check out Mississippi Girl Life, okay? It's gonna say Mississippi Girl Life. Once you type that in, I should pop up in parentheses, gonna say Country Girl Prepper. All right, so make sure y'all check out that channel. Link should be in the description box to make it even easier for y'all, okay? So go ahead and end it. Y'all be safe. Remember, gardening is supposed to be fun. If you make it hard, it may not never get done, okay? So love y'all, and we'll talk in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.